Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to discuss about degree of freedom analysis of a distillation column. The problem involves a binary distillation column that separates a mixture of benzene and toluene. So we are given the following condition. The overhead distillate product contains 95% benzene and the bottom products contain 5% benzene. Our task is to perform the DOF analysis to see if the problem is solvable. The diagram shows our column with a feed stream coming in and two product stream leaving. The lighter component that is called distillate and the heavier component that is called to the bottoms. So we have labeled the unknown flow rates D and B. So we continue with the same step for the degree of freedom analysis. Step B is to count the unknowns. Looking at the diagram, we have two variables whose values are unknown. One is D, the flow rate of the distillate stream, and B, the flow rate of the bottom stream. So therefore, the number of unknown is 2. Step C is to count the independent equation. Since we have two components, benzene and toluene, we can write two independent material balance equation around the column. So one is the overall mole balance. So moles in must equal moles out. The feed F equals the distillate plus the bottom B with the known feed rate that is 100 uh, is equal to D plus B. And equation number 2 is the benzene component balance. The moles of benzene entering in the feed must equal to the moles of benzene leaving in the distillate and bottom stream. So the equation is 100 times 0.5, which is 50 equals that is 50 equals D times 0.95 plus B times 0.05. Therefore, the number of independent equation is also 2. So now here step D is to calculate the degree of freedom. So DOF, the DOF is the number of unknown minus number of independent equation, which is 2 minus 2. That is the result of DOF is equal to 0. This confirms that problem is exactly specified and it is solvable. That's it. Thank you.